Plugging in your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 or Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus only to notice the battery percentage staying stuck can become frustrating very quickly. Sometimes the charging symbol appears for a moment and disappears, while other times the tablet responds slowly or shows no charging activity at all. Many users think something serious happened to the tablet, but in many situations the issue comes from charging accessories, temporary software interruptions, or power connection problems. This kind of problem can happen after software updates, long battery use, charging cable wear, or dust inside the charging port. Before trying random charges repeatedly or changing too many settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore charging on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 or A9 Plus properly. 1. Disconnect the charger and reconnect it using a compatible Samsung cable and adapter properly. 2. Inspect the charging port carefully and remove any visible dust or debris gently. 3. Restart the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 or A9 Plus to refresh charging related background services. 4. Try another charging cable or wall adapter to confirm power reaches the tablet correctly. 5. Leave the tablet connected to power for several minutes and check if charging begins normally.